Hello, today we are going to learn how to take one of these split monogram frames and actually break it up into two different designs or allow you to increase the distance between. This is in Embird. Right now I'm in the manager, and what I want to do is click on editor, and it's going to bring up the editor. Now, because this is 8 by 12 hoop, you can't, there's really not much wiggle room in here where you could move this. Now, if it was a smaller design and you wanted to use it in an 8 by 12 hoop, you would have more room to actually split the design out and then make it, spread it apart. But with this one, you can't because of the size. So what I'm going to do is show you how to take this specific area down here, and we're just going to quickly go over it. Hit return, and it turns this red. So what you want to do now is under edit, split join, and either do your Control T for split or split it this way. And you will notice over here on the upper right where it shows this part is separate. So you can actually hide this now. If you take those colors off, you can see that they're hid, but I'm going to turn them back on. And I've got this part of the design selected, so I will go File, Save Separated As, which will just change the separated, and let me it's going to be a split mermaid 8 by 12, and then I'm going to take off the _1 and put in dash bottom. Okay, and then I'm going to select this top part, and I'm going to do the Save Selected As. I'm going to put Split Mermaid 8 by 12 top. So if I close this design now, I can go in and say File, Open, and let me get down to my PES files. There's the top portion. Close it. Open. And here's the bottom portion. This way you can stitch out one portion and rehoop, and then stitch out the lower one so that you can get a larger distance between the top and bottom portion of your monogram frame, or or where you would put a child's name, so that you can use larger letters. So I hope this helps you out. Don't be afraid to buy those split monograms frames so that you can work with them and make them work with your machine. We will talk to you later, and have a good day. Bye.